A man once said, "It is like a voyage of discovery into unknown lands, seeking not for new territory, but for new knowledge. It should appeal to those with a good sense of adventure."
Keep going, bro. You're like 300 yards.
What's up?
This guy?
You're the first one into camp, man.
Yeah, man.
Let's go set up, dude. You still got daylight.
Oh, we took the wheeling route.
Did you really?
Oh yeah.
So we came from all of this. Back out just a little bit. Oh, no kidding. Okay. Kind of feel left out because I sat here for 4 hours and have had no excitement.
First creek crossing.
Quickly, my truck's filling up.
Woo! Finally! Slow! Why not stop? I'm getting stressed.
Hold on, watch that rock right there. Way to go, two-wheel drive. You killed it.
This morning, we woke up in the Mark Twain National Forest. Encompassing 1.5 million acres of beautiful land in Missouri, Mark Twain National Forest maintains a healthy, working forest and restores Missouri's natural communities. As we step out of the comfort of the Ozarks, with Budget Overland and Diamond State Offroad, we are off to seek new adventure.
Good morning, guys. We have met up in the Mark Twain National Forest with Budget Overland and Taylor and Spencer from Diamond State Offroad. We're currently airing down. I've never aired down, so we'll see how this goes. So far, it's already smoother airing down.
It's so easy a mailman can do it.
So it's our first time in the Mark Twain, at least it's my first time in the Mark Twain, and Benji with Budget Overland asked us to join him on a weekend trip to do some wheeling up here. So that is what we're doing. So far, beautiful. The drive was nice. It's gonna be a great day.
It's always good when new parts snap and pop and crinkle. Right.
Well, boys. I heard that locker engage.
Can you guys tell me where the local McDonald's is?
Woohoo! Excuse me. All right.
The Jeeps have made it.
Yeah, the Jeeps haven't had any problems. No, for real though. Two-wheel drive, super impressive still. It's just slick root stuff and getting a full-size truck through a trail that's very tight. Razors obviously rub. Full-size truck getting through without rubbing. Good job.
This is fun. Whenever we smack talk the Jeep, something like this happens, right?
I came in like a wrecking ball.
feel like you're gonna roll, but you're not.
That sounded good.
What, that I made it?
No, McDonald's.
Oh, you're McLoving it? Alright guys, so we just stopped for lunch, and normally for lunch we do like sandwiches or pizza Lunchables, but no. We got Benji with Budget Overland over here, gonna full on cook. What are you cooking?
I'm torn, man. I'm either thinking like chicken wings or steak. I'm torn. But I'm hungry, so I'm gonna cook something.
Yeah, so while he does that, I'm just gonna make a sandwich. So this is Taylor's choice for lunch.
Aw, yeah.
Pizza Lunchables and shrimp. Okay.
Oh, you're doing shrimp on the barbie.
Oh, it's already cooked.
So you're just gonna eat it cold?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Are you serious? Like
Dead
a
serious.
shrimp cocktail?
Yes.
You're nasty. That's gross.
Mark Twain is a beautiful place. It has got like a different kind of terrain than Arkansas or the Ozarks and Ouachita's. But we're making it. The two-wheel drive is making it.
This trail is yet to keep on giving. Are we in Missouri or Colorado?
I wonder when we're gonna find camp. I am exhausted, tired. I just want to sit in a hammock and chill.
Honk if you're ready for Benji's famous biscuits.
My favorite part of the day was the first one was going through. It was like a double wash, so it was like super flexy, and my rig just went right through it, and that was really cool. The second one was where you flew your drone, and we were literally going up is an exposed hill, like mountain, a hill. So we were trailing up, zigzagged, then trailed back down, and you were just flying your drone around.
My favorite part was probably the drone when we were climbing up and then we dropped down.
Oh, the
and
other
we
one,
did the gnarliest section.
it felt like we were in multiple parts of the country. It was really cool.
It was.
So even parts of the world, some places were super flat, and then they had
Yeah.
shelf rock.
It definitely felt like an escape from the normal trails that we do in the Ozarks. I love the Ozarks, obviously, but it was cool to come out and do something different. So my favorite part, getting to see their faces whenever we said, hey, this is what we went up in the dark, and they're like,
They told us last night. We didn't believe them. We're like, oh, okay, then that's cool.
yeah.
When we went out there, and it was dropped. Yeah. I'm going all out this evening on chicken wings.
Chicken wings. Ain't no thing but chicken wings.
We're gonna do some spicy Asian sauce. Should be good.
Biscuits.
You tell me. Right here. What do you think of that? I made a little flower.
Oh.
Is that not cool?
Yeah.
Pretty sure that was not coincidence. That's just how I planned it out.
Well guys, the Mark Twain National Forest has impressed. My first time being here and I'm coming back. What a great weekend we had trying to get the two-wheel drive stuck. Did we get the two-wheel drive stuck? No. Ish. No. Y'all were just examining your winch line.
Yeah. Totally.
Anyways, go follow Diamond State Off-Road on YouTube and go follow Benji on Budget Overland on Facebook or YouTube. Hope to see you guys there and see you guys in the next video.
Go ahead. Lay yours down flatter.
Balun wire, tent stake, battery to battery, jumper cables.
And we're still alive.
Special thanks to Fast Track Overland. Gear I use: Cascadia Vehicle Tents, Prince Who Roof Rack Designs, Rome Adventure Company, Baja Design Lighting, Northwest Trail Innovations, Midland Radios, Renogy Solar Systems, RCI Off-Road Bed Racks, Rotopax Recovery, Dometic Coolers, Max Trax Recovery, and Coastal Off-Road. If you would like to purchase any Eaglesoverlanding merchandise, visit longcreekoverland.com.
It was pretty cool. We didn't plan on it, but GPS took us here and we're like, it's the shortest route home.